Welcome to Rigi. Now we are continuing the exercise 3D here. 3D is on matrices determinants here. Exercise 3D continuation here. In this, the next question, third question is show that he is given one determinant, that is y plus z x and y z plus x y again and z x plus y. This is equal to, he is asking to find 4xy z. He is given one 3/3 determinant here. This is y plus z x y z plus x y z x plus y is equal to, is asking to show 4xyz. Let us see the solution here. See, I am taking directly this matrix given that y plus z x and y z plus x y z and z x plus y, and I am writing determinant for this matrix here. This is equal to y plus z into I am eliminating this row and this column which is having y plus z here, z plus x, next y z x plus y. Here z plus x y z x plus y, this is the determinant of this one, and minus of x into mod of, I am eliminating row and column which is having x here, y and z x plus y and plus x into mod of plus x. Eliminate the row and column which is having x here, y z plus x, next z here, this is z and this is z here again, and this is the complete modulus here. And if you multiply y plus z into z plus x into x plus y, z plus x into x plus y minus yz, y into z yz, bracket close, and minus x into y into x plus z, y into x plus y minus yz here, yz, next plus x into y into z yz minus of z into z plus x. Now I am extending the multiplication here, y plus z into x into z xz, next z into y yz, next x into x square, next x into y xy minus yz. This term is as it is here, and if you observe here, yz both are get cancelled here, minus x into y into x xy plus y into y square minus yz, and plus x into yz minus z into z square minus of plus into minus become minus here, minus x into z. And let's multiply the terms here, y plus z xz plus x square plus xy. Here these two terms are eliminated here, minus x into, here directly I am multiplying here, no need to write in bracket, minus x into xy minus x square y minus x into plus y minus xy square minus x into minus yz, that is plus xyz, minus into minus become plus here, and directly I am multiplying x into yz xyz and my x plus minus y z square xz square minus xz square plus x into minus xz minus x square z, and now multiply this term to this whole term here, y into xz xyz and y into x square y, next y into xy square plus z into xz square, next z into x square z, and z into plus xyz. I am writing the remaining terms as it is, plus minus x square z. Here x square y and here plus x square, here plus x square y and here minus x square y, and xy square here, this is plus x square, this is minus xy square, xz square here, xz square plus z square plus xz square, minus plus x square z here, minus x square z here. The remaining terms are here xyz. How many xyz's are there here? 4 xyz's are there. So completely, then the determinant of this value is equal to 4 xyz. This is all about the solution of this one here. And the next question is here. And the next question, if fourth question, if mod of a square a cube plus 1 plus a cube, question is a square a1 plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube plus c square 1 plus c cube, that is equal 0. If mod of a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 is equal to not is equal to 0, then show that he is asking to find a plus a b c is equal to minus 1. Here the solution for this question is, here if he is given the question modulus of 3 by 3 matrix here, a square 1 plus a cube, b square 1 plus b cube, c square 1 plus c cube equal to 0 here, and he is given one condition, that is a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 must not equal to 0, then show that a into b into c is equal to minus 1. Here I am taking the determinant given that a square 1 plus a cube, next b square 1 plus b cube, next c square 1 plus c cube. So I am writing this determinant as sum of two determinants here. I am writing this determinant, the sum of two determinants, a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 plus a square a cube, b square b cube, c square c cube is equal to 0 here. And from this determinant I am taking ABC as common here. From this determinant a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 plus here I am taking, from this row I am taking a as common, from this row I am taking b as common, from this row I am taking c as common. So combinedly we can take ABC as common. Here 1 a square, here 1 b square, 1 c square is equal to 0, and I'm interchanging here C2 and C1 as well as C3 here. C2 C1 first I am interchanging C2 C3 and C1, I am interchanging C3 and C1 here. A square 1, B square 1, C square 1. So ultimately the question is plus A square ABC and interchanging A square A B1, B square B1, C square C1 here, and I am interchanging here again one more time. I am interchanging here C1 and C2 here, C1 C2. If you interchange C1 C2, what will happen here? C1 C2, A modulus of A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 plus, if you take ABC as common here, that is the common here, and if you interchange here, I am interchanging C1 and C2 interchanging, that's why we are going to get A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 is equal to 0. Here in these two terms, this matrix, this determinant is common. I am taking the determinant common here. A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 is common. Here the remaining term is 1 plus A plus B is equal to 0. Here he is given the condition that is equal A square 1, B square 1, C square is equal to not is equal to 0. This term is not equal to 0. So definitely this term, this value is equal to 0, that is nothing but 1 plus ABC is equal to 0, and if you send this 1 to right hand side, then it will become ABC is equal to minus 1, then hence proved here. This is the solution about this question here. He is given 3 by 3 determinants is equal to 0, and he is given one condition, this determinant should not be is equal to 0, and he is asking to show that A into B into C is equal to minus 1. So for this determinant I am taking sum of two determinants. From this determinant I am taking ABC as common here. After taking ABC as common, I am interchanging the columns in two ways here. After interchanging columns here we are getting the same determinant here. I am taking the determinant is common here. The rest of the term is 1 plus ABC is equal to 0. Here he is given that condition, this determinant must not be is equal to 0. So definitely this is equal to 0. If the product of any two terms is equal to 0, any one of the term must be 0. So he is saying this term is not equal to 0. Definitely this term is 0. So 1 plus ABC is equal to 0, ABC is equal to minus 1. Hence proved. This is all about the question number 4 here. And the next question is here, without expanding the determinant, prove that. Question number is 5. Without expanding the determinant, prove that is given that mod of A square BC and B square CA, B square CA and C square AB. This is equal to mod of 1A square A cube and 1 B square B cube, 1 C square C cube. He's given this matrix here, and this is the question here, and this is the question A square BC, B square BC and C square AB. This is question, this is the right one. And now we are taking LHS here. We are taking LHS here. The solution for this one, the solution for this one is given that A square BC and B square CA and C square AB modulus is equal to 1 A square A cube, 1 B square B cube, 1 C square C cube, and I am taking LHS here. So after taking LHS, A square B square BC, B square CA and C square AB. So here I am multiplying and dividing with A, B, C. So if you multiply and divide with any term, the resultant one is same as the previous one here. So I am multiplying A, B, C and dividing with A, B, C. So A, B, C will get cancelled. No change in value here. So that's why I am multiplying here. So A square B C and B square C A and C square A B. So for this one I am multiplying this numerator to each and every row. So then it will become 1 by ABC. This denominator is common, and if you multiply ABC to all the term, A to all term, B to all the row 2, C to all row 3 here. I am multiplying this A to row 1, A square, A cube, ABC, and I am multiplying B to R2 here, B square, B cube, ABC. Here B term is missing, here A term is missing, here C term is missing, C square, C cube, ABC. Among all the column 3 here, I am taking ABC as common again. So I am taking back ABC common. So then what will happen here? A square, A cube 1, B square, B cube 1, C square, C cube 1. So ABC get cancelled. The final one is here A square, A cube 1, B square, B cube 1, C square, C cube 1. See here I am interchanging C1 and C2 here, C1 and C2, interchanging C1, C2. Then what will happen here? A cube, A square, A1. B cube, B square 1, C cube, C square 1, and again interchanging here C2 and I am interchanging again here C1, C3 and C1 here, C1 and C3 here. I am interchanging C1 and C3 here. Then what will happen here? The final answer 1 1 1 A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube. This is the final answer for this question here. First I am taking LHS here, then it is a RHS. Thus finally we can say LHS is equal to RHS. This is the final solution. And here I am taking LHS here, I am multiplying and dividing with ABC here. So then if you multiply A to R1, B to R2, C to R3, when the C3 will become ABC here. I am taking C from C3, ABC as common. Then we can cancel ABC here. Here we will get the determinant here A square A cube 1, B square B cube 1, and C square C cube 1. So I am interchanging C1 and C2 as well as C1 and C3. Then the output RHS matrix is getting here. And the next question in this same bit, that is same type of question, that is prove that ax by cz, prove that modulus of ax by cz and x square y square z square, x square y square z square and 1 1 1 is equal to a b c x y z, a b c x y z. This is determinate not matrix here. And the last one, yz zx xyz, yz zx yz zx, this is zx, and the final one xy, this is xy, this is z here and this is also z here. So this is the question here. From this we need to multiply here. This is ax by cz x square y square z and 1 1 1 abc xyz yz zx xy. This is the question here, and the solution for this one is given that mod of ax by plus cz here, not plus x square y square z square and 1 1 1 is equal to a b c x y z and y z zx and xy. And here I am taking LHS here again. LHS is nothing but ax by cz x square y square z square 1 1 1. This is a LHS here. I am multiplying in the same condition like previous problem, multiplying and dividing with x y z, then the resultant will not change while multiplying and dividing with any term of a determinant here. And so that I am multiplying x y z divided by x y z mod of ax by cz and x square y square z square 1 1 1, and I am multiplying this x y z to all the row to here. Then what will happen here? 1 by x y z ax by cz, then x square y square z square, then it will become xyz xyz. See here I am multiplying this numerator to all three here. I am taking x as common in C1, y as common in C2 and z as common in C3. I am taking x common here, y common here, z common here. Combinedly I am taking x y z here, x y z divided by x y z mod of here I am taking x as common here, a x y z, and y as common here, b y z x, and c z as common here, c z and x y here. X y z and x y z both are get cancelled here. The remaining term is a b c x y z x z x y. This is the final expression, final answer for this problem. This is RHS, hence proved LHS is equal to RHS. This is the solution. And once see here, this is the determinant he is given, and I am taking LHS here. For this LHS I am multiplying, dividing with xyz here. So the resultant will not change here. I am multiplying this xyz to all the elements in R3 here. So I'm combinedly I'm taking xyz in c1, c2, c3, xyz as common, xyz get cancelled here. The remaining determinant is the RHS of the problem here. And let's see one more problem here. In this bit the questions are completed. Let's see some more problem. And the next question is, so the third question is given 1 BC B plus C and 1 CA C plus A and 1 AB A plus B is equal to 1 A square, 1 B square, 1 C square. This is the determinant he is given here. This is the 3 by 3 determinants, both are 3 by 3 determinants. We should show these two are equal here, and the next solution is solution for this. So I am taking, given that mod of 1 BC B plus C and 1 CA C plus A, 1 AB A plus B, that is equal to 1 A square, 1 B square, 1 C square. And here I am taking LHS here. LHS is nothing but 1 BC B plus C and 1 CA C plus A and 1 AB A plus B. So for this one I am changing R2 is interchanging to R2 minus R1, as well as R3 is changing to R3 minus R1. Why? Because why we are taking here R3 minus R3 is changing, R2 is changing here. Here if you eliminate these two terms, the determinant becomes easy here. So the resultant one here 1 BC B plus C here is common. Why? Because we are not changing R1 here, only we are changing R2 and R3 here. So 1 R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, this will become 0, and CA minus BC and C plus A minus B plus C. Here bracket is must and should here, B plus C, and 1 minus 1 R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and AB minus BC and A plus B minus of B plus C, and this is the determinant here. And for this determinant I am writing here modulus of 1 BC B plus C 0, and I am taking C as common here. If you take C as common, A minus B here, A minus B, I am taking B as common here, B is A minus C here, and this is 0. I am multiplying here C plus A minus of minus B minus C, and A plus B minus of A plus B minus of minus is multiplied minus B minus C here, and plus B minus C get cancelled, plus B minus B get cancelled here, and the final one is 1 BC B plus C and 0 0 C of A minus B into B of A minus C, here A minus B and A minus C. This is the final determinant. So for this determinant 1 into this term, what will happen here? 1 into C into A minus B into A minus C minus of A minus B into B into A minus C. Here this one and this one. Here BC into minus BC into 0 into this term, 0 into this term will get cancelled. This is 0 here, and this term, if you eliminate this row and this column, this is also 0, this is also 0 here, 0 plus 0. So the final expression is 1 into, no need of writing 1 here, so 1 into anything, that thing only, and C into A minus B and A minus C, and minus of A minus B into A minus C into B. So here two terms are there, this is one term and this is one term. I am taking here A minus B, A minus C common from both the terms, A minus B into A minus C from both the terms. What is the remaining term here? C minus B. Here if you observe here A minus B and A minus C, C minus B. I am taking here minus as common, A minus B, here minus as common, it will become C minus A, here minus as 1 as common, B minus C. So minus 1 into minus 1, that will become plus 1. Here where LHS is proved here, I am taking RHS here, I am taking 1 A square, 1 B square, 1 C square. Here for this one I am changing R2 and R1 with respect of R1 here. R2 minus R1 I am changing row 2 as well as row 3. R3 is changed to R3 minus R1. So why? Because here if these two terms are become 0, then we can find the determinant easily, very easily here. 1 A square, the determinant here R1 is common for both. Next 0 R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, B minus A here, and B square minus A square, B square minus A square. And the next one, R3 is changing, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, and C minus A, and C square minus A square, C square minus A square. So here the final determinant one, and I am finding determinant for this one, 1 into B minus A into C square minus A square, B minus A into C square minus A square. Next here B square, next B square minus A square minus C minus A, B square minus A square into C minus A. Here this is one term and this is one term here. Next plus 0 and plus 0. Why? Because here A into, if you eliminate this row and this column, this determinant will become 0, plus A square into, if you eliminate this row and this column, this term will become 0 here. That's why 2 zeros here appears, 2 zeros here, and no need of writing 1 here, directly I am taking here one formula is useful. That formula is A plus B into A minus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. This is the formula here. A plus B into A minus B is called A square minus B square. This is the formula. According to that formula, I am explaining this one. It is A square minus B square is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. B plus A, here B minus A into, it is in the form of A square minus B square. Can I write C minus A into C plus A? Here. Next, this term minus of this term B square minus A square, it is in the form of A square minus B square again. So I am writing B plus A into B minus A. Next minus into C minus A common as it is. Next, if you observe in these two terms, here two terms are there. This is one term and this is one more term. In these two terms, the B minus A and B minus A is common, these two terms, and C minus A is common. I am taking here B minus A into C minus A as common. Next, finally the remaining term is C plus A minus of B plus A. Next, B minus A into C minus A. C plus A minus into plus minus, minus into minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. Again here plus a minus a get cancelled. Here the remaining term is b minus a into c minus a into c minus b. Here if you observe the previous case, this one, here the answer for LHS and the answer for RHS both are equal, therefore RHS is equal to LHS, hence RHS is equal to LHS. The both answers are same, that's why this both determinants are equal here. And this is all about the exercise 3D, and the next part will continue in next session. Thank you one and all.